In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new Notion.ai Notetaker. This tool is designed to simplify the way you manage and record your notes during meetings. And some may argue it's even better than other AI note takers available. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most out of this innovative feature. First off, you'll want to start by navigating to your connected workspace on Notion. This is your hub for wikis, documents, and projects, and it's where all the magic begins. Now, if you're not already logged into your account, head over to the login page. Just click on the login button and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. This will swiftly direct you to your Notion home, which is essentially your main dashboard, hosting all your pages and notes in one convenient location. Once you're on the Notion home page, the next step is to select a page where you'll be employing the AI Notetaker. Click on any page that you wish to use for note-taking. It's crucial to select a page that is organized and relevant to the notes you'll be taking, as it helps in maintaining clarity and order in your records. Now, here comes the exciting part. To activate the AI Notetaker, you simply need to type in the command /AI meeting directly into the page. This action will prompt Notion to bring up the AI meeting notes option. Once you see it, go ahead and click on it. This instantly activates the AI note-taking feature, allowing it to seamlessly start recording and organizing your meeting notes. The sophisticated AI within Notion will automatically generate accurate and concise notes based on the audio or text input you provide. It's an incredibly efficient way to ensure you capture all the essential details without the hassle of typical handwriting or typing. A pro tip here. To make sure everything runs smoothly, double-check your audio input settings, especially if you're recording live meetings. Clear audio input ensures that the AI captures everything with high accuracy. As you become more familiar with the Notion AI Notetaker, you'll find it intuitive and versatile, making it easy to tweak and edit notes as needed. This flexibility means you can personalize your working style while ensuring your notes are always comprehensive. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to using the new Notion AI Notetaker. With practice, you'll be leveraging this powerful tool to enhance productivity, allowing you to focus more on engaging and contributing rather than frantically scribbling notes. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.